for you. Okay. Here, so here HTML HTML is a stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Okay. So here it is used to create static web pages. So here it is do not create the dynamic web pages means, so it will be fixed, we can't change here. Okay, so here it is create the static web pages and it structure of this page through a series through a series of elements. Okay, so the elements the elements instruct web browsers on to present how to present content to users in HTML providers. Okay. The framework. Just you can remember one thing here. For this static HTML, it is create the hypertext markup languages and it is used to create the static web pages. Okay, so just remember this one point. It is interview point of view, this one point is very important. Okay, so they will ask you that HTML it is created the static web pages or dynamic web pages, the interviewer asked you, so you can say that it will be create the only static web pages. Why? Because it is don't have any action performance, we are just preparing for the front end side. Okay, so you can say like that. And for execution HTML, you can download the Visual Studio Code. Okay, you can download the Visual Studio Code and open Visual Studio Code. And uh, apart from this, you need to create one folder on a desktop first. Okay, first you can create one folder on a desktop. Right click on your notepad and uh, take the new and create. Wait a second. Right click on your notepad and click on new and take the folder. Okay, so here name it as that will be the HTML. Okay, so already the HTML is there. I will create another folder, code. Okay, so here open this folder as well. Open this folder and take this path, and here you can type cmd, enter. So you can take here code paste dot. So here click on enter. Here the particular folder it is opened in your Visual Studio Code. Okay. So here see what you have created on desktop, the folder will be appears here. Okay. So here you can create a folder. So you already create your folder in your desktop. So you need to create the file here. So we have the two types of extensions to create the HTML. That will be dot html or dot htm. Okay, dot html or dot htm. So these two extensions will save in the html, okay, in your Visual Studio. So this is also an interview question, please remember this thing. And here you can click on this file, and you need to take one name, that will be tags, okay, dot html. So you need the execution part, right? So you need to execution part. This will, we call it as extensions here. Click on extensions and you can download that extension will be, so you need to execute the html, right? So you can download, that will be the open in browser, that extension will be. So this is the open in browser. So you need to download this one. Already I have downloaded this. So you can download this one for execution of HTML. Okay. So we have the one shortcut key for how to we have the one shortcut key for structure of HTML. Okay, so that will be shift exclamatory enter. So here it will be, the structure of HTML will be shown like this. So here the HTML will be the root one. So head part will be the external one, and we have the two types of HTML, that will be the internal HTML and external HTML. So out of the body, what we have, that will be the external HTML. So internal HTML means inside of the body what we are writing, that will be indicated internal HTML. Okay. So here this title session will be printed outside of the HTML. How it will be, I'll show you. Here I'm taking that tags. Okay. So here click on your notepad. Right click on your notepad. Already you have downloaded that. Open in browser. So here you can take open in default browser. Okay. So it will be open in your browser. Already we have set the title session, so that will be printed outside of the body. Okay, in the title session, what you have given the title one, that will be printed outside of the body. That will be what I have given there. That will be the tags, right? So here it will be printed the tags. After go to your Visual Studio. So inside of the body, I am writing one. We have the 6 types of tags. That will be the H1 to H6. Okay, that will be called it as heading tag. So we have the two types of comments here also. So that will be the single line comment and multi-line comment. So and we have the inline comment also in HTML. Okay, so here I'm doing now comment, single line comment I'm doing here. So that will be the control forward slash. So that will be happen comment. So it will be not appears in your browser. Okay, so here I'm taking H1. So H1 is the largest one. So here this is a heading tag. Okay, this is the heading tag, and here H2. This is the second highest tag. Okay, this is the largest tag actually, and we don't have any differences for these two tags. So H1 to H2 is the biggest tag, and H3 to H6 will be the smallest tag we will indicate as. Okay, so also heading 2, and here this will be the heading 1. Okay, so same thing, it will be indicated the sizes of the tag. Okay, it will be indicated the sizes of the tag. So H3, H3. Okay. So after we have H4. Okay. So this is a heading 4. So this will be the heading 4 tag. So here H5. This is a heading 5. So this will be the heading 5 tag. Size will be indicated small. H6. And here this is a heading 6. Okay, so we will see, and once you have already you are executed that one, and go to your browser and refresh it. So here see, this will be the indicating the sizes of the tag. So one is bigger, smaller, and it is decreasing the size. So this is all are indicating the sizes of the heading. And after that, we have the one p tag. P tag means that will be the paragraph tag. Okay, paragraph, paragraph tag. Okay, so here and do that control forward slash. So this will be the comments. So here open the P. So for junk text, you can use the LORM. So this will be the printed the junk session junk one, or else you can take, you can type manually. This is a paragraph tag. Okay, so it is like this, and after, so we will refresh this one. We will refresh this one. Will. So this is in a paragraph tag. So it will not there, we will not providing any p tag, it will be not in a paragraph way. Okay, after that we have the I tag. Okay, so this I tag will be the italic tag. So how it will be printed means the text will be the some slightly curve. Okay, so I will indicate inside of the p tag only. So this is a, here I'm indicating I tag. Okay, italic, italic tag. So here we, how it will be printed. So I will take here dot dot. So see here. So the text will be here. The normal text it is have taken. So here how it will taken. Here taken like italic type. Okay. So like this it is printed. After that I take like this, and after we have the bold tag. So bold tag means that will be the some thickness of the text, and we don't have any differences between bold and strong. So the two texts are same. So alternative text will be the for bold, the strong tag. Okay, I'll show you the difference. Here bold tag. Here I'm indicating the P. A. Here P tag means the bold tag. Bold. Okay, tag. The bold tag. Okay, refresh your browser, open your browser and refresh. So here see the thickness, the some thickness of the text. Okay, after we will take the strong tag here. Strong also the same thing. The text will be the some thickness. Okay, so enter here. So after take the P, here this is, here you can take directly the strong. So here I'm taking the strong tag. Okay, so what is the alternative tag for uh, bold means the strong for alternate the bold. Okay, so we will see. So here see, so strong and bold will be the same one. Okay, so slightly the thickness of the tag. Okay, after uh, what we have the link tag, that will be link, wait a second, link tag. So comment us. So here we will take A. A means anchor tag. We will call it as here href href. Here h reference link. So we need to give the reference of links. So you can take any reference of link here. Href images I'm taking here. So you can take this one. here I will take this link. So directly you can take this link, you can paste it here. Okay, so here, so we don't have the ending so here we have, so here we will take this is a link tag. Okay, so we will see, so it is we have the two-way to declaration of the links. I'll show you, this is the one way to declaration. So what here it is happen means, here what is it is happen, it is redirecting to the, it is redirecting to the uh, here it is redirecting to within the page redirection it is happened, right? So here the within the page redirections is happened, so we don't want to within the page redirection, so it wants to be redirected to outside of the page. So for that we can use the target flag here. Okay, this is the same thing, two-way two declarations of the link, that will be the a href, the same link I'm taking here, and after we will, I'm using here target blank. Okay, so target blank I'm using here, I'm ending this, and the here also I'm saying I'm using this is a link tag one. Okay, so we will see what the difference is for this both. Okay, so go to your browser and refresh it. I will give. And one more thing, here it is coming the side by side. So one after one we need. For that you can use BR tag, means the break one. So we don't have ending tag for this. So break means after it is breaks the line and it is comes after the line. Okay. So here. So we will click on this link too. So it is what happened. It is not redirecting within the page. It is going to the out of the page, right? So this will be how the declaration, it is the second way to declaration link. Okay, so next one, image tag. Okay, for image tag we don't have the ending tag. So I'm going to taking this here, image tag. So here control slash, you can take img, and src means that will be the source link. So here one way, so two ways to we have to declare that one. So I'm taking directly from the browser. So you can take this directly from the browser means, wait I'll show you. You can take this one and copy this one. Copy image address. I'm pasting here. It is very big, so not an issue. Here I'm writing the alt. Alt means if the image is not present, so alt message will be printed there. Okay, here I'm taking the nature image. Okay, so we don't have the ending tag for image tag. Okay, so go to your browser and refresh it. So the image is printed like this. So here you can take like this, the deployment process will be not possible because the images will be not possible to deployment. So it is came like this, right? So you need to give the break here. So what is that break? That will be the BR. So give here. So it is present after the line. Okay. So it is after the line it is present. So this is the one way to take the image URL, or else you can download this one. So click on download here. Click on save as. I'm saving on a desktop now, as of now. Okay. So image will be in the format of .png jpg and webam. So here you can take this image Control X, copy, and you can take code. So fetch in your folder. Okay. So go here and directly you can call that name. Okay. It is in a JPG format directly. Okay. So you can take directly here image src, and directly you can call that will be the nature. Okay, so this is some small, right, the compare to or URL, right? So this is the second way you need to take. Okay, so we have the two ways to call the image. Okay, so you can give the break here. Okay, we don't have the ending tag for this. And you can same you can use the bootstrap class. You can set the as well. Here you can set directly width is equal to 100, and you can set directly height is equal to 100. So we will see this, the image will be small. Okay, you can use bootstrap class and you can set like this also. Okay, and we can build some basic table one. Okay, table table, and here comment this control forward slash the table here, and you can take table tag we are using. Okay, so here I'm directly taking tr, means that will be the table row. Here table row, inside of the table head we will indicate as the th. Okay, so here I'm taking header 1. Here I'm taking here th header header 2. Okay, so header is created, so we need to fetch the data, right? For that we will see here what will happens in the table format. So here what it is happen, header 1 header 2 is created, so you need the data. Means you can take header 3. Okay, so here tr here you can take td. Okay, so here your td means table data. So here the table data you can take data 1. Okay, here you can take data td, inside of the data 3, data 2, data 3. I'm fetching normally td data 3. Okay, so here data 1, data 2, data 3 we have taken already. So we will take some more data. So copy this and you can take. So the table format it will be printed. So data 1, data 2, data 3. So it is in a table format, but in the table format what we need the borders, right? For that you can use the, as of now I'm not using any CSS here, just normally I'm using the some bootstrap third party library. That will be the border equal to 1. Okay, so see here, so borders will be like this.